Hi, Sean from the Vintage Model Radio Museum with another example of a sophisticated single channel setup. If we look at the individual elements, we can see there's a UK manufactured McGregor Super Het relay receiver. There's the batteries and there's three actuators. The actuators were manufactured by RMK in Japan, sold under the RMK tag in the UK and distributed by Ripmax. For this setup you needed three. There was the dynamite, which was for the rudder, there was the dynavetor, which was for the elevator, and then the dynamo, which was for the throttle. The dynamite and the dynavetor were neutralising ones, and the dynamo for the throttle was sequential. This could be wired to give you either 2 positions or 3 positions. In the 3 position sequence it gave you low throttle, medium throttle, high throttle, back to medium, back to low, in that order. Setup at the end was like a modern servo setup. It used push rods, horns. Obviously you had no servo reversing with any of these, so it was important that you got the correct orientation of the push rods. So what I'd like to do is show you it in operation. Okay, one press and it gives you right, just like any traditional setup. Press, release and hold, so effectively 2 presses and you got right. 3 presses and you get down on this, so you can see, down elevator. 4 presses and it gave you up. The strange one on this, it wasn't a quick blip for the throttle, it was 5 presses. And you can see it cycles. So it was difficult to actually get. You had to do 5 presses and then let go immediately. So that gives you effectively high throttle. Went to low throttle. And there we go. This is set up in 2 position mode. So if we just look at the tail end, you'll be able to see in more detail just the action. So there you go. Right, left, down, up, and obviously cycling. It was quite an expensive setup as well, and a cheap reed setup would have given you a better solution for very similar money. Thank you.